How to look like a cute artist. Step 1. Hi guys, so I'm Bianca and welcome to this video. Today we'll be shooting more of a chill sit down video and it's just gonna be a paint with me. So one of the things I want to learn in watercolor is drawing faces, and so when I was on Skillshare I found this sort of class on learning how to do faces. So that's what we're gonna do today. Without further ado, let's get painting. Yes. Hey, so we are here now in my office / painting space. So I just have my watercolor sketch pad. I think this is just the cheapest one, yeah, Henderson. So just have this, and then for my brushes, I can't find my old paint brushes anymore, so we'll just be using water brushes. So yeah, I have quite a lot, so yeah. And then for the actual paint, so I think you can see it from here. So this is the Kudetake one. I actually, where is it? So I accidentally, like, everything fell like while I was fixing this. So, and then I don't have time to fix it by color because there's a lot, so we'll just have to work with this for now. I mean, I can see what color it is, so good luck to me. So yeah, so I'll be watching the first lesson and then let's see how I'll be applying it. Hi, so I just finished the first lesson, which was all about facial proportions, and it was super helpful. And so I made this diagram. That was what it was all about. So it's basically like this is the face, and then you cut it into 3, so like that. And then the first line, this is the forehead. The second one is where the eyes and the bridge of the nose go, and then the third one is where the mouth and the chin goes. And then the one in the middle, you cut that in half, and that's where the eyes go. And then and from the center you create 2 lines, and that's where the width of the nose will be, and also where you learn where the distance between the eyes and the eyebrows actually go. So yeah, so that was the first lesson. Sounds easy enough and sounds like something I can do when I do my own faces. So now we're doing face shapes. So she said there's like 5 face shapes. So I already started with the oval one, and this is the round one, though I guess I have to do the top parts as well. So there, I think I have to redo the round one, so let's redo the round one. Is that rounder? It's rounder. I don't know. And then we have, she said, the square. Okay, so will I just legit be doing a square? We'll see. That's a square. And then, what did she say? A jaw one. I don't know. I forgot what she said. Triangular one. Okay, that seems easy enough. Okay, yay! So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did the 5 face shapes. So now we're doing mouths, and yeah, so I will just do what she's doing. So we'll see. Now we're doing smiles. So for a first attempt, I think it's fine. It can be better, but it's fine. So let's try the next one, which is even harder because it has like the illusion of having teeth. Is that okay? I'm not sure. Okay, so this one is a fail, I think. I mean, it does not look like a smile to me, but man. This is eyes, which is one of my favorites, and yeah, so she just discusses like the different types of eye shape and like how the eyes just follow where you're looking at, and she says like there's different types of eyebrows as well. So I'm just gonna do like 3 types of eyes and eyebrows. So yeah, so let's start. So 1. So I like a bushier brow, as you can see generally. Then fine, let's try like an Asian eye, which is my eyes. There, so that's not my proudest one for sure. And that's the one where I tried to do my brows. Is that better? No, it's not better. He said like when you smile, you get a crease here, so that's good to know. So like you can place that crease to signify that the person's smiling. There. Does she look like she's smiling? I'm not sure, but I did my best. That's what you'll be hearing the whole video. I did my best. So she said like usually when you draw a nose, you don't really draw this line unless like the person's like leaning to the side, so there's actually a shadow. And then you don't overpronounce this part, because when you do, it's like it becomes an emphasis, which you don't want, I guess. So like this one, we did that under one, and you see it doesn't look nice. So yeah. We're gonna try to do a face. So wish me luck on this one. But it's still just a monochromatic one. And yeah, it's gonna be quite a chill face. I don't know if I don't even know what race this person's gonna be. Well, she. I'm sure it's a she. That's one thing I'm sure about. So. Hey! It does. It doesn't look that bad. Like, I mean, hers is like so much better and took so way less time, but oh my gosh, I love it. But oh my gosh, wow. Okay, so this is attempt 1. The eyes are very wonky, but I think it's good enough. Yay! Finally, we're gonna make the faces, so I'm very excited. And yeah, so we'll just have fun with it, and hopefully it's gonna turn out even somewhat nice. So yeah, I'm gonna do the skin tones first so that it's gonna dry per face, and then we'll see if it goes nicely and stuff. My gosh, what is that? Ah! We have that. So we have the bases ready. And now we can go in with details. So my inspo for the first one would be a pin-up girl, because that's also kind of what she did. So so far it's not looking that great, but I think I should have had colors prepared is the issue. But otherwise, I think it's pretty okay. So this is a much better brow, and they're not just cousins. They're like, they're strangers. They don't even know each other. So that's the first girl. I mean, it's not terrible. I think it's terrible, but we're gonna improve. That's why there's always room for improvement. So that's gonna be the second person. So these are the two faces. I need to work on it, I know, but yeah, so I'll be doing the other two off camera, and yeah, hopefully it gets better, honestly. So that's the end of the video. So some final thoughts. I did learn a lot from the class, and I think I was just a bit pressured by shooting it, which sounds counterintuitive, but yeah, I think I'll definitely try again. So it's Bianca from the future. I tried to improve what I already did, so yeah, and I really ended up liking this guy and this girl, and turns out the pressure was just real. So I've just been practicing like the past few days, and look, I mean, it's not the best, but it's also not the worst. And like, this is my fave, and this is like my other fave. Like, and this is inspired by Aiden from Drag Race, if you watch that. So yeah, and I actually loved what I ended up doing, and I'm sure that I'll be practicing a lot more. And yeah, so it was actually super helpful. Overall, it's definitely like super fun, and I think that with enough practice I will be able to do like a bunch of little cute faces that show expressions. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching and just chilling with me, and you know, maybe we're also painting, who knows. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, then please subscribe and hit that like button as well. So yeah, that's it. Bye guys, hope you're having a great day, and yeah, bye.